Will you do an ad with Rishabh ever?
I've done a lot of ads with other various cricketers.
The answer is yes or no.
I don't know.
कितनी सर्जरी करवाती हैं आप?
All thanks to my parents. I'm blessed with good genes.
People, assume you as somebody जो attention seeker है.
No. I mean, देखो अभी तो song पे आ गया sorry बोल. I'm never ever ashamed by saying sorry.
We heard that you were cut out of the poster of Daku Maharaj and some of the scenes of you were deleted from Netflix team internally.
No, actually, what happens is Netflix team, they apologized to my team also. Sunny is a Punjabi
Of
Jat,
course.
and Randeep Huda is Jat. So Jat people are very attractive.
You wanted Rishabh to be Jata as well, but ठीक है, it's fine. वो cricketer ही अच्छे हैं ऐसा. Daku Maharaj के वक्त, of course, you took a bit time to, come and do a public apology. Was it told by self-esteem or it was your personal? Do you say sorry to people? Like, are you like that, or you're like you take your time and then say sorry to?
Yeah, I have no problem in saying sorry to people.
What kind of a lover you are, Urvashi?
I'm a love at first sight kind of a lover.
People say that you're the first woman to do everything. Like the first woman to win a pageant, first woman to fall in love, first woman on earth. These are such memes.
First, I don't know, but surprisingly, this Touch Ke is also the first single from Jat.
3 qualities you want in your boy?
Ultra supportive,
Aye, wow.
ultra loving, and ultra caring.
First woman to use ultra word.
Really?
Your beauty secret is?
That I'm from mountains, no secret.
First woman from mountain. Any actor you have crush on?
Salman Khan.
Very safe.
No, Prabhas. Allu Arjun.
I think
So-
new people, Ibrahim is there, Abhay Verma is there. A lot of new talent is coming in.
वो तो भाई टाइप हो गए ना. Like, no, I mean.
Salman is also bhai. Your favorite cricketer, rank in order. Kohli, Dhoni and Rishabh Pant.
First, see, Kohli, Dhoni both equal.
Rishabh.
I mean, yeah, Kohli, Dhoni,
Rishabh.
Dhoni. Hello everyone, hi, I'm Urushi Rautela and you're watching me only on Filmy Beat.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with से आदि.
करेंगे बातों का खेला. मेरे साथ हैं उर्वशी राउटेला on Filmy Beat. Welcoming. How are you, Urvashi?
I'm very well.
Do you remember me?
Yeah.
For the good reasons, I hope. आप गाना जो है बहुत ही कमाल कर रहा है. कितना टच किया है फिर आपने करोड़ों को, लाखों को. जनता का प्यार तो वो है ही. Money is also a factor, I guess,
Really very happy. Epi Jat रिलीज होने जा रही है 10th अप्रैल को. और सभी लोग जाएं और देखें. एकदम मासी फिल्म है.
Yes.
मासिस के लिए बनाई है. और जो हमारा फर्स्ट सिंगल रिलीज हुआ है फ्रॉम द मूवी कॉल्ड जाट, टच किया सॉरी बोल, तो बहुत ही इट्स उसके पीछे एक रीज़न है बिकॉज सनी जी भी फिल्म में बोल रहे हैं सॉरी बोल सॉरी बोल सॉरी बोल टीज़र ट्रेलर में. और फिर यहाँ पे वो लड़की भी ये बोल रही है कि दिल तुझको ही दूंगी पहले सॉरी बोल, दिल तेरा ही लूंगी पहले सॉरी बोल. सो सॉरी बोल, देयर इज अ रीज़न बिहाइंड कि क्यों सॉरी बोल इतना बोल.
But do you say sorry to people? Like, are you like that, or you're like you take your time and then say sorry to?
Yeah, I have no problem in saying sorry to people, but I feel girls especially इस गाने से बहुत ज़्यादा relate करेंगी because in the end of the day girl हर लड़की चाहती है कि उनके boyfriend या husband उनको sorry बोलें. तो girls can relate to it.
नहीं, sorry तो you आपने जो बात बोली उसका पूरा प्रमाण है. आपने what happened last time with Daku Maharaj, then you came with a public apology which was a good move from your end कि ठीक है, I did a mistake, I'm totally okay with it, I can say sorry also. But उर्वशी, जो भी गाना आप करती हैं, कुछ भी फिल्म से बड़ा आपका गाना होता है. जनता जो है कमेंट सेक्शन में भर भर के इस बारे में बात कर रही है. How do you see this immense love coming in?
I think it's a very good sign and respect. I think you guys turned out to be lucky. आज ये trending number 1 में भी आ गया है songs sorry बोल टच किया from the movie called Jat. It's trending
तालियां बज रही हैं पीछे
on YouTube. So very happy and I really hope कि I really want कि girls और boys सब लोग dance करें sorry बोल पे. hook steps इतने interesting है.
प्यार में आपको लोगों ने बोला कभी सॉरी?
प्यार में सॉरी, हाँ जो प्यार होता है तो वहाँ पे सॉरी ये सब तो होता ही है.
What kind of a lover you are, Urvashi? Like, are you simping over lover, or you are like you are very clear with your thought process? You know, I want certain things this way.
I'm a love at first sight kind of a lover.
कौन था आपका पहला प्यार? आंखों देखा.
Love at first sight only, always love at first sight.
हुआ है आपको ऐसा?
हाँ, love at first sight only.
How did you manage it? Did you tell the person, or it was like, ठीक है, I can't tell?
I mean, tell the person like, but I'm just telling my feelings, not कि मैंने बताया कि नहीं बताया, but usually I believe in love at first sight.
That is there. But how do you define love? Because Urvashi's way of loving people, work, and you know, this affection that she has. What is your definition of the love that you have?
Love towards work, you said. So, I mean, I'm very passionate towards my work. I really love my work, and that's why I, always make sure कि मैं अपना always I give it my best shot. Especially इसमें भी हमने dancing नहीं किया है, touch किया और उसमें just आप अगर touch किया और sorry बोल आप गाना देखेंगे, आप सिर्फ eyes में focus करेंगे, तो just following the personality of our Linus.
Yeah.
थोड़ा एक शेरनी वाला अंदाज है, क्योंकि जो कंपोजर हैं एस थमन, उन्होंने भी बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें एलिमेंट्स दिए हैं एनिमल साउंड्स के. So इसलिए
You know, it's difficult to maintain image in the media, and then जो love है वो तो मिलता ही है साथ साथ. Do you sometimes feel कि too much of media हो गया, अभी थोड़ा break ले लेती हूँ, अभी मैं घूम कर आती हूँ, फिर I'll do something धमाका with a गाना?
Yes, like when I want to take a break, I always take my break. In fact, इस बार birthday में I celebrated my birthday in मध्य प्रदेश खजुराहो, जहाँ पे 251 गरीब लड़कियों की शादियाँ करवाई.
अरे वाह.
और उनका जो होता है मालाएं पिरोई.
You did it yourself?
हाँ, मैंने खुद ही जितने भी 251 जोड़े थे शादी के, उन सबकी मालाएं खुद पिरोई, खाना बनाया, खाना परोसा, पूरा जो भी है ना, दाल एंड like राइस एंड चपाती एंड सब्जी, डिज़र्ट, मीठा, जलेबी वगैरह सब में एकदम एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट किया, क्योंकि बर्थडे हमेशा बाहर ही बनता था, मॉलदीव्स एंड ऑल. तो इस बार माय थिंग वाज दैट व्हाई नॉट लेट्स बी
The Desi Urvashi came in.
हाँ.
The Desi, जिसने अपने आप को सहज कर बताया कि ठीक है, this time it has to be
I
in
want
India.
to.
Also, you're aware with the fact that आपके memes बातें जो हैं बहुत वायरल होती हैं. Everything you say becomes a statement. Are you aware of it? You check
Actually,
that?
I don't check that because I think it's bad for your mental health. So I try to
Avoid it.
avoid and stay away from it.
But some of them are very fun. If you watch it, like people say that you're the first woman to do everything. Like the first woman to win a pageant, first woman to fall in love, first woman on earth. These are such memes.
First, अच्छा, I don't know, but surprisingly, this Touch Kiya is also the first single from Jack.
See, I told you, this is very Urvashi to us. But इतना प्यार मिलता है. People are also proposing for marriages and शादी. What is the शादी? What kind of marriage you want?
I think वो तो सभी girls को मिलते हैं proposals for शादी.
Nah, but yours is like very shahi.
But kind of शादी, like definitely Indian kind of a wedding is always a good idea.
Any place that you have checked in कि I want यहाँ पर?
अच्छा, अरे शादी का location you mean? I really liked this place called Salzburg. तो मेरे mind में था कि शायद वहाँ पे हो तो अच्छी बात है.
3 qualities you want in your boy?
3 qualities. Ultra supportive,
अरे वाह.
ultra loving, and ultra caring.
First woman to use ultra word.
Really?
Of course, like from the time I've been interviewing, nobody said ultra love and ultra caring I want. And that's really a thing. Quick rapid fire round I'll go ahead with. One thing you can't live without.
Can't live without my family.
Aww, so lovely. Your beauty secret is?
That I'm from mountains. No secret.
First woman from mountain. I keep on plugging this. It's fun. One actor you have crush on. Shah Rukh Khan you can't name. Like you have named Shah Rukh Khan too much now.
Achha. First actor I have a crush on.
Any actor you have crush on.
Salman Khan.
Very safe.
No, Prabhas. Allu Arjun.
Too many people you name now. How many crushes you have, Urvashi?
They all are.
Nothing in
so-
new people. Ibrahim is there, you know. Yeah, Abhay Verma is there. A lot of new talent is coming in.
वो तो भाई टाइप हो गए ना. Like no, I mean like you know, I mean.
Salman is also bhai.
हाँ, I mean like how do I tell you like वो पहले से इतने आ रहे हैं, पहले से आइडलाइज करते हैं उनकी एक्टिंग परफॉर्मेंस, तो इसलिए वो ज़्यादा पसंद है.
ठीक है. Your favorite cricketer rank in order: Kohli, Dhoni, and Rishabh Pant.
First, see Kohli, Dhoni both equal.
Rishabh.
I mean yeah, Kohli, Dhoni,
Rishabh.
Dhoni more senior.
ठीक है. बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आ रहे थे आपकी पोस्ट के नीचे. I picked up some of them. The segment name is just commented. One is that one of the best dancers of Bollywood. आपने तो नोरा को भी मार दी थी.
अरे ऐसे कोई वो नहीं करी. आई रियली फील कि जो भी सभी एक्ट्रेसेस अच्छा काम करें, बिकॉज हमसे पिछले वाली जनरेशन के जो भी एक्ट्रेसेस थे उन्होंने इतना अच्छा काम किया कि हम आज ये कर पा रहे हैं और हमको अब ये लेगेसी कैरी फॉरवर्ड करनी है. सो नॉट ओनली मी, जस्ट ऑल दी एक्टर्स जो भी हमारी जनरेशन के हैं, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ अस टू पुट आउट द बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड कि हम अच्छी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेज दें ताकि बॉलीवुड को वी कैन टेक ओवर टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. So it's very important कि not only just me, सब actors अच्छे performances दें, only then we can take the Bollywood to the next level.
आपके फेवरेट डायरेक्टर एंड सिंगर कौन है?
Favorite director, अभी favorite director Gopi Chand Malini is my favorite director.
सिंगर?
Favorite singer is my favorite, I would say composer is Thaman. The composer.
I was hoping Honey Singh coming in.
नहीं वो तो
Evergreen.
forever evergreen है. But Thaman is my current like a favorite one because he composed Dabri Dibri.
Yeah.
He composed Touch Kiya. Sorry Bol.
Also, Urvashi, you're being praised for the beauty that you have. You know, you mentioned that you're from mountains, and आपका जो color है इससे बहुत inspire लोग होते हैं कि no, she maintains her skin nicely, all of that, and we've heard that you like coriander and mint juice all over the day. You know, आपकी dietitian reveal किया था. So things are there to maintain the beauty, but at the same time, एक गाना आपने किया था जहाँ पे आपको बहुत शेड डाउन किया गया था ना, टोन डाउन किया गया था आपके कलर को. Was it like कि you were sure कि मैं अच्छी लगूंगी कि वो like कि ठीक है अभी करके देख लेते हैं?
See,
Brown Rang was a song.
हाँ, Love Juice, yeah.
Yeah.
So, see, even Yo-Yo Honey Singh, he always told me that Urvashi, color doesn't matter. You know, it's always about the features. It's always about the health of the skin. So that's what really matters. So, even if it's a completely tanned look, still a girl can really look beautiful. तो ऐसा वो कुछ नहीं है.
Another comment that we've got is कितनी सर्जरी करवाती हैं आप, जबकि you mentioned it पहले. You would like to add any answer?
Like I always said that I mean I like all thanks to my parents. I'm blessed with good genes. That's it. And all I do is just like maintain it. That's it, with the good food and healthy lifestyle.
We see a different Urvashi in the songs and different Urvashi on the social media. Like you're very,
Really?
like songs when you're like all, that bubbly girl full of dances and social media pe. And as a person also very shant.
I get
Phone to be you talk very nicely, slowly. So I guess why do you talk very slow on phone?
very
Slow on phone.
slow on phone. Okay. No, because in real life I'm very calm kind of a person, and like how in my this one, as I said, I was told to follow the character of a Sherni, like a lioness. क्योंकि आप जब वो गाना देखेंगे तो आपने you must have noticed a lot of times I'm doing like a lot of times I'm doing this. So I was just acting. I was just acting.
Even with eyes also you did a lot of work, no? कि आंखें इधर उधर and all of that. I'm like, भाई, how she's managing and doing that. There's another comment which I picked up. Will you do an ad with Rishabh ever? Given a chance, like.
I mean, like till now, haven't received any ad. Like I've done a lot of ads with other various cricketers. I have my Lux Cozy ad going on with Surya Kumar Yadav, and then I have a couple of other ads with a lot of other cricketers. But as of now, I haven't received any offer.
The answer is yes or no.
I don't know. Depends on the script also. You know
what they want to portray with Rishabh.
Yeah.
That is the thing. Okay. और वैसे डाकू महाराज के वक्त अंबानी की शादी से भी पॉपुलर were you. इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी हमने आपकी देखी डाकू महाराज के वक्त फिल्म को जो आपने वो किया, लेकिन वी हर्ड दैट यू वर कट आउट ऑफ द पोस्टर ऑफ डाकू महाराज एंड सम ऑफ द सीन्स ऑफ यू वर डिलीटेड फ्रॉम नेटफ्लिक्स टीम इंटरनली, व्हाटएवर. So how do you take that, or you were very okay with it?
No, actually, what happens is Netflix team, they apologized to my team also that it happened by chance. By the time the fans, they already saw it, and they were already agitated, and they went very aggressive. But उन्होंने टाइम भी नहीं दिया to the Netflix team कि वो अपना को प्रूफ कर पाते, पॉइंट रख पाते. They went berserk, they went crazy. फिर वहाँ से it's just like went all out. So it was not intentionally mistake by Netflix. वो गलती से हो गया था उसका mistake.
पोस्टर वाला थिंग आल्सो हैपेंड गलती से.
By
You didn't
gulti
ask the team कि आप एक बारी
उन्होंने बिना बोले ही नेक्स्ट पोस्टर जो डाला तो हमारे डबल पोस्टर्स करके डाले.
that really managed. But Urvashi, what all coming in next, because we want to see you doing more acting projects. Dances तो आप बहुत अच्छा करते ही हैं. तो acting wise, what all coming in?
In Daku Maharaj, I had a full-fledged police officer's role.
Which they cut.
Which
Netflix पे बहुत, but otherwise तो people saw it already on in the theater.
they already saw, and then I did a lot of action also in it. And then after this, there is this film called Kasoor Part 2 coming up. And my international music single with Jason Derulo, जो 2020 में हमने शूट किया था, तो वो भी आने वाला है.
Any Punjabi song coming in, because we remember you dancing on Nach De Tap De Tere.
हाँ, गल में गई है. Actually, this Touch Kiya and Sorry Bol has Punjabi lines. The male lines are Punjabi.
But full-fledged Punjabi अभी नहीं कुछ.
फुल पंजाबी तो नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स हिंदी, तो हिंदी मिक्स विद पंजाबी क्योंकि सब लोग ताकि कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट व्हेन आई वाज ऑफर्ड जाट, देन द मेकर्स टोल्ड मी 3 times कि आर यू जाट, आर यू फ्रॉम जाट कम्युनिटी, आर यू फ्रॉम जाट कम्युनिटी. I was like, thank you so much, because I personally feel कि Jat community people, they very.
You are Jat?
I'm not Jat, but they thought that I'm Jat.
Oh.
So they asked me 3 times, and I told them thank you so much. Because I personally feel that Jat people are very attractive.
Huh?
Yeah, the Jat people are very attractive.
Like who? You can name. I don't mind.
No, see, Sunny Deol is a Punjabi
Of
Jat,
course.
and Randeep Hooda is Jat. So Jat people are very attractive. They're very, they have a nice personality. They are so brave. They're very courageous. They just say whatever they feel like. So that's why.
You wanted Rishabh to be Jat as well, but ठीक है, it's fine. वो cricketer ही अच्छे हैं ऐसा. Tell me one thing, if you don't eat that in the day, your day feels like आज तो कुछ ही नहीं खाया.
Amla juice.
It is the morning routine you have?
Amla juice, yeah. Amla juice, apple cider vinegar, turmeric water.
I have always seen you very sweet and very calm. गुस्सा नहीं आता आपको कि आपकी खूबसूरती देख के गुस्सा भाग जाता है?
नहीं, I mean like I
do get
just
irritated. Huh?
No. I mean, I try to maintain zen and calm.
And how do you tackle it? Like you don't talk to people, you just like ठीक है अभी क्या?
Sometimes try to control as much as we can कि गलती ना हो, but अगर गलती हो जाए, कोशिश ये रहती है कि ना हो गलती.
डाकू महाराज के वक्त, of course, you took a bit time to, come and do a public apology. Was it told by Seth-Steam or it was your personal? It takes, guts to come and apology publicly, but you did that. I praised you in the initial of the interviews, but people also said, "Ki, why Urvashi is doing that? She's doing it for the sake of attention, all of that." Is it a thing like that, Urvashi? People, assume you're somebody जो attention seeker है. You want to clear that?
No. I mean, देखो अभी तो song पे आ गया sorry बोल. I'm never ever ashamed by saying sorry. But it was for some of the people who couldn't understand वो चीज़. A lot of people, they felt very hurt about that thing. But my एक simple सार में मेरा मतलब ये था कि you know whatever incident happened, it can happen with anybody. If for example, let's say anybody like your watch or whatever, anybody can attack you also, or like in general. मेरा वैसा मतलब था. तो the story was for people who couldn't understand on a deeper level with me कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ, and it was कि like you know it is not what other people are thinking. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
ठीक है. Today you're wearing such beautiful jewelry. You wanna
you.
reveal the prices? Like how many crores it is? Please tell us. No.
No, I mean.
Let me see. How महंगा is our interview?
Acha. No, but this was. By the way, these nails were especially for Touch Kiya nails, and it has like this the bow thing, and so the prices. The prices I don't know. What do you think?
Basics. No, I don't know.
What do you think?
I don't know, 2 crores of this. I don't know. I've never purchased something like no.
But even I don't know the price. So,
Andazan.
See, it's real diamond. I think exactly. What do you think? Price?
Which price? 15-20 lakhs.
15-20 lakhs he said.
ये total lakh है.
3-4 crore.
80 lakhs. 80 lakhs to 1 crore.
I mean, even I don't know exactly. That's why I was asking him. But you're a jeweler?
करण जौहर बता पाएंगे ऐसा?
Yeah.
But at the same time, I guess आपका तो पूरा हाथ इतना महंगा कि 2-3 एक्ट्रेसेस साइन हो जाएं 2 फिल्मों के लिए. You know.
अरे ऐसे
ऐसा आप
मत बोलिए.
You're a producer also. It's in your bio. So sometimes you do that कि चलो signing amount is this. ले अंगूठी ले ले मेरी ऐसा.
नहीं. No one does this. No one does this.
But thank you so much, Urvashi, for talking to us. It was really fun. It's, you know, we're doing it after a long time. I don't know, Daku Maharaj ke time, we couldn't meet and do it. Otherwise, it would have been more fun.
Yeah.
So, waiting for more projects of yours, as you mentioned.
But right now, you please pray that Jad will
Yes.
is bigger hit than Daku, so then can better.
नहीं बोल दे fan.
No. I'm like, it's better now. Jad should become bigger hit. Also, I really want this as a personal thing, that I really want Sunny G's film to really work.
Salman Sikandar didn't work out. Anything you want to say on that?
Nothing. It is like I really wanted that film to work because you know I really love Salman Sir's every film.
Then your message to people, because we want you to do more projects and you know a lot of things coming in.
Okay, so to all my loved ones, please don't forget to watch Jat, releasing this 10th of April. Zarur dekhiye Jat the movie, and Sorry Bol Touch Kiya on on YouTube, and especially Nazdiki Cinema Gharon.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with Ase Adi.